What's up, guys? The camera did something crazy. It acted like it was recording and did a 52 fake on it. So it's Sunday, August 31st, but this is our 3:06. Did the workout at the normal time.
Thoughtfulness and understanding. Actually, our great structure of learning, whether it be in the sciences, the philosophies, or the religions, this structure is essentially intended to serve that purpose. Structure relationships with other cells. Other cells also endowed with understanding.
But it did what it did. You know how it goes, so we know what it is. We're gonna push through these challenges when they come at us. As you see, none of us. As you see, none of us is exempt from challenges, but we just stay handling them and move forward. So with that being said, together, we can do anything.